Here is clock idea for LADA SAMARA, because LADA SAMARA does not have clock by default. So here is idea for clock. This kind of clock is super cheap in IKEA. This is only €1.50, and so it's super cheap. It uses one AAA battery, and this fits very well to Samara. Samara has these vents here on the windscreen where the hot air comes, and for example, here is place where is no hole. If you put it here, it is pretty okay, but it can slip from there. From here comes the most warm air, so I want to put it a little bit more here, because here comes the best air. And when I put it here, it even clicks to its place, because here are these kind of things. It even clicks very nicely to the place, like that. And it keeps there very well. You cannot even, I try to move it up and you cannot even do that because it clicks to its place. This is very good. It's even like they are meant to be. They are it fits very nice. Now we have very good digital clock in our Samara. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Please subscribe and click the clock to see more videos of LADA SAMARA. Thank you.